Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the HYLOGY automatic blood pressure monitor. In the box, you'll get a guarantee certificate, user manual, USB Type-C cable, cut by August 7 inches to 16.5 inches circumference, and blood pressure monitor. This blood pressure monitor uses upgraded chip and advanced technology to provide you the most accurate reading. It has been tested and used by professionals offline for a long time. It is sensitive enough to track heartbeat and show the hint. With 2 power supply modes, in addition to 4 AAA batteries, you can also use the USB Type-C socket at any time and anywhere, which is convenient and fast. HYLOGY blood pressure monitor with 5-inch large backlit screen allows easy viewing of readings. You could check the result more clearly and quickly at any angle. How to start measuring. Keep calm and relaxed for 5 minutes. Place the cuff on the upper left arm and let the tube go down in the direction of the hand. Wrap the bracelet around your arm as shown in the video. Squeeze the free end of the bracelet and close the bracelet with Velcro. Place your arm on the table. Arms stretch naturally and palms are flat on the table. Press the power button to measure. Please do not move and talk during the measurement. When the measurement is successful, the systolic, diastolic and pulse rates will appear on the screen. It is recommended to measure at least 3 times and obtain an average reading closer to your physical condition. Through repeated measurements, blood accumulates in the vessels, which can result in erroneous readings. Users must wait 1 minute for the second measurement. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.